Assalamu alaikum. My name is Seher Imtiaz and I am from Royal Debating and Counseling Club. Today my topic of discussion is about thoughts of Jinnah and Pakistan. Quaid was the founder and first Governor General of Pakistan. Quaid was the first advocate of two-nation theory which became the ideological basis of Pakistan. He considered the Muslim as a separate nation and he also emphasized on two-nation theory. In 1946, Quaid declared that we don't demand Pakistan simply to have a piece of land, but we want liberty where we could experiment on Islamic principles. Quaid told the Constituent Assembly that if they want to make Pakistan great and prosperous, then they should act upon the golden principle of faith, unity, and discipline. We should live as a united nation, and there is no Punjabis, Sindhi, Balochi, and Pathan amongst us. We are only Pakistani. According to Quaid, the first and most important duty of a government is to maintain law and order in the country, and second duty is to wash out the curse of bribery, corruption, and nepotism. He told that many people will disagree, but the creation of two states was the only solution to India's constitutional problem. He said, we all are equal citizens of the state, irrespective of our faith, color, caste, and creed. We all are free. And the state has nothing to do with the personal faith of the people. These were the thoughts of Jinnah of Pakistan. Thank you.